Now that I exfoliate my skin, look at that, look at that, look at just, oh my goodness guys, look at that. Let me get that. Baking soda have very fine granules. These granules are so fine that they are perfect for exfoliating the skin. They're so fine that they seep into those pores, clean them out. You have blackheads, you have whiteheads, you have oil on the skin. Not only that, you have hyperpigmentation on the skin, dark spots and blemishes, old scars on your face. This is the remedy right here for you. Now when it comes on to castor oil, it contains rinsolilic acid, and this acid helps to boost collagen and elastin in the skin. Take a look at my cheeks, just plump them up like that. This acid also helps to clear hyperpigmentation on the skin. So let me just show you right now. This is it. And to use this on the skin, the way I use it on my skin, I take about a teaspoon of the mixture. And you want to start with clean skin. So I like to wash my face before I use this on my skin. And then I just rub it in my hands like this. And I start to exfoliate my skin in circular motion. Exfoliating the skin. Look at how it's just getting rid of the dead skin cells on my skin. Just look at that, guys. Let's go to the other side. We're just working this in. Take a look at that dead skin cell just raising right off my skin when I'm using this. And I'm going under here, guys. Look how this is just brightening my skin. Look at that dead skin cell just raising up on my skin like that, guys. I love using this on my skin. It actually is a game changer, and that is why we also make the Khichi Beauty facial polishes with fine granules. We didn't use a baking soda, guys, but guys, this is how it works similar on the skin. Baking soda with the castor oil is not going to leave your skin dry. It's just going to take off the dead skin cells, exfoliate the skin, get rid of the hyperpigmentation on the skin while boosting collagen and elastin from the castor oil. So now that I exfoliate my skin, look at that, look at that, look at just, oh my goodness guys, look at that. Let me get a thumbnail for this. Let's see. Let's just get the thumbnail, guys, so you know that this is not fake. Look at that. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to rinse this off and come back for you. But let's not show the result until the end of the video. So if you want to see this recipe, how we make it, and learn all about the ingredients that we're using in this, continue watching the video. And at the end, we'll show the live demonstration of the after rinsing this off. Don't forget, guys, watch the video to the end. And if you're new here, what are you waiting for? This is the time for you to subscribe. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button. That means each time I upload a video, you'll get that notification right away. So here we have the baking soda, and we're going to reach for a bowl, and let's just pour this baking soda in. We're going to be using about a tablespoon of the baking soda. Now, baking soda grainy texture is great for exfoliating the skin, getting rid of blackheads and whiteheads on the skin. Baking soda also will help to get rid of the dead skin cells on the surface of the skin. So now that we poured the baking soda, let me reach for a little, put it in my hands for you to see. Now take a look at that. You might not be able to see it on camera, but baking soda have very fine granules, very fine texture. Now, the fact that baking soda have this fine granules, it will help to get rid of dead skin cells on the surface of the skin, but also help to clean out those pores. So if you struggle with large open pores, this is good for you. Blackheads and whiteheads, not to mention hyperpigmentation on the skin, dull skin, rough looking skin. Baking soda also is known to shrink pimples on the skin. Now you can make a little paste with baking soda with a band-aid. You put it over your pimple, cover it, and it's going to get rid of the bacteria from your pimples. So make sure to get rid of any lumps that is in the baking soda. So now that we have the baking soda ready, we're going to reach for our second ingredient. Now this is aloe vera leaf. What we need from this is the aloe vera gel. Now aloe vera will help to remove dead skin cells also from the skin, but it's smoothing to the skin. Aloe vera also will help to get toxin from the skin. Aloe vera also help to reduce wrinkles and fine lines and clear the skin of hyperpigmentation. So I am going to be using aloe vera gel today. So here we have the aloe vera gel. So from this aloe vera leaf, you get aloe vera gel. Now all you need is about a teaspoon of the aloe vera gel. 1 teaspoon. If you're using the fresh aloe, go ahead, extract the gel and blend and use just a teaspoon. Now aloe vera can help to reduce the appearance of pores and give the skin a smoother texture. It is moisturizing. It is smoothing on the skin. So now we are mixing the aloe vera with the baking soda. 2 powerful ingredients so far that can help your skin to look years younger. Now let's reach for our main ingredient and take a look. Here we have Jamaican black castor oil or black castor oil. The main chemical composition of castor oil is ricinoleic acid. Ricinoleic acid is a potent fatty acid that can moisturize and protect your skin barrier. Ricinoleic acid also has antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties. Castor oil fatty acid restore the skin moisture and balance, which help with dry skin. Castor oil also have antioxidants that fight free radicals, which can help the aging process. Castor oil can help smooth and also soften the skin, and it also helps to promote healthy pores. I personally use castor oil on my stretch marks, I use it on my chapped lips, and I also use it under my eyes for dark under eye circles. Just an array of benefits that castor oil have on your skin. When it comes on to Khichi Beauty skincare products, there are many of our products that we use castor oil in because of the amazing benefits. And I have other videos on castor oil that you can check out. So how much castor oil are we going to use? Just a little bit, since the castor oil is very rich. So I'm just using about a half a teaspoon of the castor oil. Now when it comes on to the scent of the castor oil, some people might not really like it, but just overlook that because it is just so amazing for the skin. So now we are mixing 3 very powerful ingredients for your skin. We're using castor oil, we're using aloe vera gel, and we're also using the baking soda. A facial scrub that the granules are so fine, making it great for all skin type. Now if you're out there and you're skeptical about using baking soda on your skin, guys, go ahead and use some blended rice. Go ahead and do the coffee version of this, which is coming your way soon, guys. And also you can go ahead and you can actually take a little bit of a castor oil and you can add it to your favorite facial scrub. So take for instance the Khichi Beauty facial polishes, guys. You can take 1 drop of castor oil and add it, and then you go ahead and exfoliate the skin. So now that we have our facial exfoliator using castor oil, what I personally like to do, I like to set this aside. And that is why I prefer to make this overnight. So set it aside just for the 3 ingredients to really infuse with each other. And once that is done, then I'm now ready to use it on my skin to exfoliate the skin. Now take a look at this, guys. Let me come close for you to see. Take a look at my skin. It is not dry at all. It's just smooth and dewy. Look at my skin, guys. Look at that. This is what I'm talking about. This does not dry the skin out. In spite of the fact that we're using baking soda, mixing with the castor oil and the aloe vera, guys, it just gives your skin that smooth texture, that's clear skin. This is what we want, guys. Not only that, free from wrinkles and fine lines.